celebrated annually on June 21, serves as a global platform to raise about the benefits of practicing yoga. This year, the theme is Yoga for Self and Society, emphasizing yoga's role in fostering individual well-being and social harmony. The initiative for Yoga Day was taken by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his 2014 UN address, and the related resolution received broad global support, with 177 nations sponsoring it in the United Nations General Assembly. Yoga derives from ancient India spiritual practices and explicitly religious element of Hinduism. It was being practiced in pre-Vedic period. The great sage Maharishi Patanjali systemized the practices of yoga. Hence, each and every one of us should practice yoga daily.
वॉर्म अप योगा करण्या अगोदरच्या ज्या काही कवायती असतात, कसरती असतात, त्या संदर्भात ते आपल्याला माहिती देणार आहात.
So we are gathered here for International Yoga Day, as you know. So yoga is very important, not only for one day, but every day at least you have to give 5 minutes for your body and mind, as we see in that skit. So today I am going to tell you about the warm-up. Warm-up is very important thing before you start your day or before we start our yoga. So here are some basic steps which I am going to show you. First you have to see, then you have to follow. Okay? So are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. So first is you have to hold your thumb like this. Keep your hand straight, and then you have to rotate your wrist like this. 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. Ready? Straight hand. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next, keep your hand on your shoulder. Okay, you have to rotate your shoulder anti-clockwise and clockwise 5 times. We will start. Ready? Start. 1, 2, full round you have to take. 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood how to do? Yes. One more time we will start. Okay. Keep your hand like this, straight. Straight. Now I will count. You have to do. First clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Take a complete circle. 4, 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, keep your hand on your shoulder. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Now neck exercise. Okay, first see. 1, straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this you have to start. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now up and down. Okay, 1, then look down. 3, look up. 4. Like this. Understood? Start. 1, 2, 2. Look down. 3, 3. Straight. 4. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8. 8, 7, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Place. You have to keep your hand like this, straight. Pay attention now. 1. You have to touch your knee on your palm. 1. Then 2, 3, 4. First pay attention, then you will do. Now you have to do. Ready? Slowly, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Now rub your hands. Rub fast. Faster. Keep on your eyes. Take a long breath. Relax.
पायाला स्ट्रेच करायचंय आणि टाचा उंच करायचं आणि दीर्घ श्वास सोडून हळुवारपणे परत हात खाली घ्यायचा. पुन्हा हात जोडा. दीर्घ श्वास घेत हात उंच न्या. टाचा उंच. श्वास सोडा. त्यानंतर आपण कोणासना बघणार आहोत. पाय जवळ घेत लेफ्ट हँड डावा हात डावा पायावर ठेवायचा आहे आणि उजवा हात सरळ श्वास घेत कानापाशी न्यायचा आहे. उजवा हात राईट हँड आणि श्वास घेत हळुवारपणे डावीकडे झुकायचे. पुन्हा सरळ होत दोन्ही हाताच्या आतमध्ये ठेवायचं आहे.
Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now put your right thumb on your right nostril. Take a long breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. सावधान. विश्राम. सावधान. Sit straight. Meditation is a good for us strength. Sit straight everybody. Eyes should be closed. 10 minutes you have to just close your eyes.
अगर आपने दिन की शुरुआत ही अच्छी कर ली तो पूरा दिन अच्छा जाता है. इस ध्यान का उद्देश्य है कि आपको सुबह सुबह पॉजिटिविटी से, आत्मविश्वास से और करेज से भर दे, जिससे कि आप दिन भर के चैलेंजेस को, मुसीबतों को आसानी से झेल सकें और आप अपना बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दें. आराम से बैठ जाएं. बेहतर होगा कि आप पालथी मारकर जमीन पर बैठें, अन्यथा आप कुर्सी पर भी बैठकर इस ध्यान का लाभ ले सकते हैं. कोमलता से अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें. अपने दोनों हाथों को अपनी जांघ के ऊपर रख दें। एक गहरी सांस अंदर और धीरे से बाहर। एक और गहरी सांस अंदर, और इस बार जब आप सांस बाहर छोड़ें, पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें। एक एक रेशा रेशा विश्राम में जा रहा है। सिर से लेकर पैर तक पूरी मांसपेशियां शिथिल पड़ रही हैं। एक और गहरी सांस अंदर लें और धीरे से बाहर। पूरा शरीर ढीला पड़ रहा।
सगळ्यांचे डोळे बंद होती ना? हळुवारपणे सगळ्यांनी काय करायचे, डोळे उघडायचे।